I guess you just did the 4 start.
Command console.
This time I won't show mercy.
I wonder if you get more units now.
There's only one value that is dependable from the player's status, and that's the impact from killing hives.
So it cannot do that.
I'm sorry. Fours. Okay. I'm just going tumbling for a second.
Yeah, looks like this time you won't be getting a foothold here.
Oh Christ. Wow, that somebody got really aggressive really fast. You're only making me angrier. Was I lagging or AFK? Oh, it was a trap. Oh.
What are you doing? Being kited like shit.
Oh no, I'm trapping him. He's doomed. Mwahaha.
13 metal per cycle. What you guys getting? I'd say it's evening out.
Yeah, well, there's not a lot I can do at the beginning, so I'll just leave my units to do their job.
$20 metal. Never mind 13.
He died.
What? You did?
Yeah, he did.
Yeah, two of these guys know how to play very well, looks like. Very quick with the other. He plays strangely. He puts his defense line back way too much, I think.
Somebody didn't have anti-air in this base. What did you do?
Managed to not connect all the guys' energy grid. to play with the storage and not the hydro. Haha.
How much intel do you guys have on me?
Infinite.
About 31 metal per cycle.
Holy fucking Christ.
This guy's still building defenses in our base.
Who? Defenses at Frat.
I'm being pretty close to those other guys' defenses. Wasn't enough. The game is lagging so much for me. What the hell? There's so much on your side of the map.
Yeah.
Yeah, but the game is not running smoothly for me anymore.
Yeah. I think where with this one guy is no too more smooth to me.
I love this game mode. I obviously don't have to do so much.
What?
That I like in this begin phases. I don't have to do like terribly much. Just
And then later it can be, oh, I'm totally defeating you because I have a feeling.
oh damn! Somebody's firing singularity bombs. Yeah, I stopped my tumbler. My game is suddenly running a little bit smoother.
Yeah, no porn running anymore. Yeah, basically laying the power grids and the shield grids and so on. People don't seem to be doing well.
What? I cannot pass through shields? Oh no. These are just being lame. What the hell are they doing even? Oh, you have like this gravitation stuff. That's evil.
Oh, he does?
Yeah, it is. Yeah, it's really annoying actually.
You should remember that.
Yeah. Boom, baby! Okay, put a dent in his defense. Nice. And come here, singularity bombers. Who are mine now?
Yeah, the thing is we're getting a lot less moss now. Per person.
True. They don't still seem to have enough to penetrate.
Yeah, well, once you kill the first defense line, there's still the line of the other guy that's not helping the defense.
GG.
Oh. Yeah, I don't get this either. This is very odd. I don't know how I do this, but there you go.
What the fuck?
Fusion reactor. Oh no 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 no. Yeah, all my units died. So I think I dented your Which color are you actually?
I'm one of the blues. Yeah, not blue though.
No, and I don't see you anywhere on the front line.
Oh, I'm not red, it's one of the ones. Well, proportionally speaking, it's bigger now since a lot of shit got killed.
That amount of shield though.
Can you decide to buy a new natural spawn?
No, no, no. Lol, what? Why did a unit spawn in your base?
A new nest was created there.
Oh, nice. I didn't notice. Damn.
No, it just came into existence. I lived for 1 second before I killed it.
Yeah, normally it doesn't spawn near buildings, near your buildings. So I guess I want the hive lottery or something. Holy shit, those are a lot of fucking shields. And a single shot going through it. Oh, I might have a cure for that. They do have a lot of anti-air. Damn. Well then.
Hold on, what?
Oh, nothing.
Asshole is so boring, just shit in the back.
Okay. Be defensive.
What time can we start making torpedo launcher? Oh yeah, torpedo launcher.
I'm snatching up his commander. Nice.
What?
I have these units that can string themselves to other units and force them to go somewhere, but I had his commander for a second. He got away.
You mean my commander. And it was
Was it your-
because
oh,
there
was-
were defense turrets and the pathfinder was too fail to walk through. I think.
Law. So many heroes killed. Oh, that was my girlfriend again. I'll keep on playing.
I was planning on getting damage dealt on this one, but maybe not. I have some confidence with making more brawlers, but for now I need to focus on getting more metal.
Oh, even being aggressive and everything. Oh, hello there. Hello, darkness, my old friend. Sound of silence.
The guy has two of those big ass guns.
Yeah, I know. I've been feeding them. He has killed 39 hives.
Please give this back.
What? He stole a building? Haha! Funny.
Tep mu atap when I went off, all my ways went to you, and I did get this
Hello,
reactor
darkness,
back.
my old friend. Apparently the shield deflects the fire though. That's good to know. Yeah, killed some defense. It's been a while. Starting to make dents again. Always nice.
I still need this reactor back,
Oh
Tepmu
yeah.
Atom.
Oh my. Wow. Jesus, really?
What?
Nuke finished.
Yep.
Oh damn. No, 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 no. My precious babies.
Take a long time for them to do.
Oh. This is evil. Oh, here we go.
Tepmu Atom reactor, please.
What the fuck? Somehow one of the other guys got the reactor of the guy that's not helping, and this guy's freaking out over it. You know, he might like control K is shit, and then all our power is gone, and then we can kill our base.
Oh, what the lag. There we go. Ouch. Hey, I got a nuke launcher.
What?
Just kidding. Would be pretty funny though. Also, I was thinking, like, instead of making like cool models from these chickens, like making them like epic aliens, I could just make them chickens.
Ah, okay. What the hell is... What?
What the hell is this?
Yes, I can watch.
I can't see anything because of the nuke.
Oh, you want another gun? Sure.
Can you fire a nuke at the air defense line? I think this is pretty much game. Okay, how is this fair?
Hey, use that to come at me, bro. That's how it's fair.
Oh, I guess.
Oh. Oh. I guess you were angered.
Yeah. Where is the queen? Oh, there she is. Okay, how do I control this thing? Oh, that's probably why he launched the ASFs. I don't make it fly.
Zap, 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 zap. One of mosquitoes shooting in your ass. Really?
Oh, here it goes.
Can you attack the ASF?
Well, let's see.
If you do area just damage against them, then they will all do this.
Yeah, I'm trying it. I'm trying to get it to fucking into the air, but holy Christ.
It's in there, right?
Is it in the air?
Can't bypass the ASF.
That was odd.
Oh, come on, my meteor control is not going to be done like this.
Yeah.
Oh wait, are these my planes? Or no?
Yeah, I'm gonna die like this. Yeah, I'm not gonna survive for long anymore.
Oh, he finally did some damage.